Hello again, Teacher Mara here, and we are going to make a beautiful tie-dye butterfly using paint and our secret ingredient, shaving cream. So grown-ups, shaving cream is actually a really fun sensory experience just in and of itself. It can be a little messy, but it smells really nice and it's easily cleaned up. So even if you want to try it out in the bathtub, it's great to let little ones just play with the texture of the shaving cream. And if you have an older child, then you can do some pre-writing as well. See if you can write and draw some shapes with your fingers in the shaving cream. See the letters by kind of tracing, and then you see what's underneath the shaving cream. So we are going to use our shaving cream today to make a beautiful butterfly. I've pre-cut a butterfly shape just out of white paper there. And you're going to need some paint. You'll need something to mix your colors with. I'm just going to use a fork, but if you have a craft stick or like a skewer, that'll work really well. I bet a chopstick would probably work nicely too. And then you'll need something to scrape off the shaving cream with. I'm actually just using a sturdy piece of junk mail that I've folded in half. But you could use a piece of cardboard too. Okay, so we are going to squirt our shaving cream onto a tray. And then we'll add a little bit of paint on top. Remember, the more paint you put in, the more color will show up on your butterfly. And I recommend kind of swirling it all around so you get a nice even distribution of color. I'm going to use some yellow. Let's put a little bit of pink in there. Looks pretty already. And let's try some blue. All right, now you're gonna go ahead and take your mixing stick and start swirling the colors around. Now try to have your little ones stay on top. That's gonna help really swirl those colors. But of course, they are free to experiment in any way that they like. Look at all the colors. Some will start to blend and others will kind of start to marbleize, and we get this really beautiful kind of tie-dye effect going on. Pretty. Okay, once you have the desired effect going on here, you're gonna take your butterfly template and you're gonna squash it right down on top and just gently press into the paint. Make sure you get all the corners you can. Okay, and then we're gonna lift it off. And you will see my shaving cream has stuck to the paper. Now, we're gonna scrape off the shaving cream. So go ahead and lay your beautiful butterfly down flat. Get your handy dandy scraping paper. Hold on to one corner and we're gonna scrape off the shaving cream. You can just scrape it right back onto your tray there. There we go, a little bit more. And when we scrape off all the shaving cream, we are left with the beautiful print of our butterfly. You can try out so many different colors, hang them up in your room. You can have a whole beautiful garden of butterflies.